guys, it's CapCat, and today I'm just going to be playing Forza Horizon. And yes, I am back home, so I'm going to be posting daily. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed, like, subscribe, comment down below if you think today. And yeah, today I'm just going to be like just driving one of my fastest cars. I have more fast cars than these, but I forgot to use them. And then I don't want to make this video an hour long just to showcase all my fast cars. But one video I will be I will be racing and seeing how fast my cars are. So yeah. So right now I'm just driving my Hennessy. I think that's how you pronounce it. Look, that was a clean drift. And I do got a Bugatti, but I don't feel like driving it. And I think one of my fastest cars, of all cars, are one of my Ferraris. It's really fast. You get to 200 so fast on just a normal road without crashing. It's so easy. But this one's really fast too. Come on, I don't want to wreck my car already. So since I am home, I can post Fortnite, Rainbow Six, and I just got this new game called I think World of Tanks Hot Wheels, I think it's called. Yeah. My favorite place to go is just the freeway, because then I could just go super fast. I also like getting on the road. Look. Alright, there. Going. I think the yellow numbers here I'll show that right now. I think those are gears. It's telling you what gear you are. I wonder how much gears this car is. I'll say 7 maybe. I will try and race, if I see a Bugatti or Lamborghini, I might race them. But I know I'm gonna race them in this video. Maybe 2 people or 2 AI bots. Yeah. I mean, you can go online, I believe. But I just like it this way. Sometimes I do. All the glasses are cracked. Would have been broken in real life already. Would have been dead already. I have not played in so long. Crashing so much. Usually I barely crash, but now I'm just crashing. They'll race Ferrari. Yeah, I'm gonna beat this, guys. No. I'm really good to turn to drift all around and then just keep going. Yeah, I'll still beat him. First place. And then I will go on my other car, the Lamborghini Veneno. I think that's right. Those two cars like tried to crash into each other, and then they crashed into me. And I'm gonna go to there to get my Lamborghini, and I'll meet you right there. Alright, so right here already. So let's just get that car. Okay. Just get this real quick.
Dude, come on in. How can I help?
There's my Bugatti. There it is. I really like the color, like the black and red. Alright, let's just rev that a little bit. If you're gonna get like this Lamborghini, you should like put the black and the red. It's really nice. And it's fast. I think this one cost like, I forgot, but I think it was like close to $1 million. Or like 800,000 in this game. I don't know about in real life. But all I know is that it's expensive. In this game in real life. I don't know how much gears this one has. Let's say like 7. I'll say like almost all my cars are like 7, except like the slow ones. The slow ones that no one likes to use because they're slow and boring. Alright. Just driving on the freeway. If there was cops in this game that will chase you, it will kind of make it more intense. And depends on the car that you're using, they'll use like a similar car. But I don't know. I was gonna say, but they don't arrest you, but I don't know. This game, I like this. You could just drive cars and then just go super fast. I mean, that's why they probably didn't add police, because then they might like crash into you while you're trying to like get a new fast speed record. I'm surprised the glass didn't break. The like windshield, I think it's called. And thanks for 122 subscribers. While I edit this, I have 122, but I don't know, later I might have like more. Alright. Alright. Gonna try and get to at least 200 miles per hour. Going pretty fast, don't want to crash. Trying to get to see if there's at least 7 gears on this car. Alright, there is. So I guess you have to get to like 203 miles per hour. I know it says 7 right now, but like once I hit like 203, it turned to 7. I don't know why it still says 7. Well, actually I know why, but like it's gonna take a little time to explain, which I don't want to. See, pretty good at those turns. And I like never crash. I mean, the second time I do it, I usually crash. But the first time I do, I never crash. Yeah, I'll do it like right now. Yep, I always crash on the second one. And when I'm gonna do like racing all my cars, like seeing how fast they are, I'm just gonna like, just race them at the airport. Like then I'm gonna have to go back to my garage and then equip it. So that's gonna take a pretty long time. Well guys, I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment down below something nice on my comment. And yeah, I'll just rev it a bit and yeah, bye. But I'll just have one more clip of my McLaren. Yeah. Right here. That's pretty fast. And I didn't even like have a long time just to get that speed, but yeah, I hope you enjoyed, and bye.